Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to send USDC from Binance to KuCoin. Let's get started. First, open the Binance app and go to the bottom right where it says Assets. Then tap on Send. Here you will see two options. The first one is to send to another Binance user, and the second one is to send to other exchanges. Select On-Chain Withdraw. Now choose USDC as the coin. In the address field, you need to paste the destination address, which in this case will be from KuCoin. So let's switch to KuCoin. Once inside the KuCoin app, go to Assets, tap on Deposit, and use the search bar to type USDC or find it from the list. After selecting USDC, you will see different networks. Choose the most cost-effective one. In this example, we are going to use the Solana network. Make sure to copy the address correctly. Go back to Binance and paste that KuCoin address into the address field. Double-check that the network is Solana. Usually it autofills, but it's important to confirm. Now enter the withdrawal amount. In this case, I will select max. At the bottom, you will see the fee and the final amount you will receive. Tap on Withdraw. You will see a transaction summary. Tap Confirm, then enter your verification code. In my case, I use Google Authenticator and tap Submit. That's it. Your withdrawal is now processing. To track it, tap View History and you will see the transaction status. Finally, open KuCoin and check your account. As you can see, the USDC has already arrived. And that's it. Now you know how to send USDC from Binance to KuCoin.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.